Hey, it's Fran in the office, the submarine. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who pitched into the GoFundMe for my healthcare for 2025. I was very surprised. I was not expecting it to meet goal, and I certainly wasn't expecting it to go over goal. I did shut it down just because I really didn't want to bring in any more than I needed. But there is enough there to cover my health insurance and out-of-pocket costs and medication and a few other things that I might have to do this year, and maybe a little bit to run over into the beginning of next year. So I'm very happy that I'm not going to have to burden Fran Lab with the personal expense. And I have to say, I was really surprised that everything happened so fast. I was expecting to keep that up all year, but within days, I had to shut it down. There were some extremely generous donations in there, and I'm going to be spending some time over the next few weeks to reach out and thank everyone individually who put into that campaign. It's a big deal, and I'm still kind of processing it. It's an unexpected plus a very good thing to happen, and I'm eager to refocus my attention away from my finances and put it into my work, as you would very much like it to be, and me too. So thank you again to everyone who pitched in, and thank you to everyone who supports Fran Lab and supports what I do, and I'm looking forward to continuing it through the next year. So it's time to get back to the lab.
Fran Lab. That's what you're watching. Fran Lab. That's what I'm doing. Working at the bench again. I'm Fran.